Hi, I'm Ryan Russell, Manager of Design and Estimating at CSI. Welcome to this week's edition of Fittings Friday. Tank manufacturers in the beverage industry frequently come to us looking for custom-designed, no-foam assemblies for their tanks. These fittings are clamped to the top of the tank port with the angled edge pointing towards the inner tank wall. The angled design allows the product to hit the tank wall and flow down the surface, which keeps the amount of foaming or splashing to a minimum. This is the same concept used whenever someone fills a glass of soda or beer at an angle to reduce the amount of foam at the top. Customers looking for a no-foam assembly come to CSI because of our competitive pricing, short lead time, and the ability to configure the design to meet their exact needs. If I can help you with your next fittings project, give me a call at 417-831-1411 or visit csidesigns.com.